Plande moa lo Olketa woman Blong God. Introduction. Long this fella study, you me look lille bit no more, long some fella woman lo Bible. You me no savi good about him everyday life blo Olketa. You me no savi good long one name now Olketa hard time and danger where Olketa face him, time Olketa sues him for obey him God. Olketa woman lo study blo you me ya, Olketa everyone face him Olketa hard time and Olketa test lo life blo Olketa wet him God. One fella woman, hemi willing for go lo faraway place for married him man where hemi no savi lo him. Hemi encourage him husband blo him and hemi prayer over him Olketa pikini blo him. But hemi cause him rawa and sorry lo family blo him. Time hemi sues him for doing wrong something. Another woman, hemi one fella stranger, and hemi one fella jury. But him lani for him put him trust blo him lo God, for keep him safe. Olketa woman ya, where you me by look him, I bin talk lo you me Plande year, I go finish. Olketa, I tell him you me that God, hemi no sense. Every time God, hemi lo there for you me. Might hemi call him you me for waka for him lo special way? Hemi might ask him you me for stand up strong for him lo place where you me stop lo him? Anywhere you me lo him, God hemi promise for give him every something you me need him. You me need for trust him and follow him, also him Olketa woman is so you me, long Olketa study. Plande moa lo Olketa woman blo God. Study 1. Name blo woman lo this fella study 1 hemi Rebecca. Rebecca hemi one fella good fella woman and hemi willing for lose him place blo him for go lo another fella place where hemi far away for good. But Rebecca hemi trust him God lo life blo him. Question 1. You savi share him any something about him Rebecca where you savi finish lo him? Reading from Bible. Genesis chapter 24 verse 1, go Kasim verse 9. Now Abraham, hemi all for good, and God, hemi go ahead for bless him all the way, lo every something where hemi go ahead for do him. Now hemi call him one fella long Olketa wakaman blo him, and hemi toko sem lo him. Me like him you for go and look out him come, one fella geli for married him son blo me, Isaac. You must promise him by you go back lo country where me born come lo him ya, and by you go look him Olketa lo line blo me, where Olketa stop yet lo place ya. You must choose him daughter blo one fella long Olketa. Make him son blo me ya, hemi married him. Question 2. God, hemi tell him finish lo Olketa man blo Israel, for no married him Olketa woman lo Canaan. Why now Abraham him tell him wakaman blo him for go back lo Olketa people blo him, for find him wife for son blo him, Isaac. Okay, so wakaman blo Abraham, hemi go out lo place ya, and hemi cast him place and sit down lo one fella well, for rest lille bit. Then hemi prayer lo God. Reading him come from Genesis chapter 24, start lo verse 12, Kasim verse 14. Now hemi prayer also him. Lord Yahweh, please you make him waka blo me ya, hemi go ahead good fella today. Please you show him out that you love him master blo me, and you go ahead for keep him promise blo you ya lo him. This time, me stop lo well ya, lo place ya now hemi no long time no more, Olketa young geli blo town ya, ba Olketa come lo place ya for Kasim water. By me ask him one fella lo Olketa osim. Please, you savi give him little bit water lo me, make him me drink. Suppose hemi talk him, all right, you drink, and by me go take him water for get a camel blow you too. Please, you let him where talk ya now, hemi sign where you sues him geli ya. Make him wakaman blow you Isaac by hemi married him. Long way ya, by me savi that you keep him promise blow you ya, lo master blow me, Abraham. Question 3. Wakaman blow Abraham, hemi prayer, time hemi go for look out him wife for Isaac. Want him now, wakaman blow Abraham, hemi ask him God for doing. Reading more, Genesis chapter 24, start lo verse 15, kasim verse 21. Time mania, hemi no finish him prayer blow him yet. One fella young geli hemi cast in place now. Gelia name blow him now Rebecca. Hemi a daughter blow Betuel, son blow Nehoah. Nehoah ya, hemi brother blow Abraham. Hemi one fella young geli no more. And hemi no stop together, yet with him any man. Hemi go down lo well ya. Hemi full him up him bottle blow him. And hemi come back. Now wakaman blow Abraham ya, hemi ask him geli him. Please, you savi giving me little bit water lo bottle blow you ya, making me drink? Now second no more, geli ya hemi down him bottle ya from solda blow him, and hemi hold him go for man ya, make him savi drink. Now hemi talk him, Olo, you drink. And time man ya, hemi drink finish, geli ya hemi talk more him. You wait. By me go carry him water come, for Olketa camel blow you. Make him Olketa savi drink too. Manya hemi stop quiet no more. Hemi go ahead for look follow him gelia, and hemi go ahead too for think about him prayer blow him ya. Osem Yahweh hemi go ahead for make him waka blow him, hemi come up good now. Question 4. Wakaman blow Abraham, hemi look him way and axin blow Rebecca, where hemi make him savi that him now woman, where hemi look out him? What now Olketa way and axin, where hemi look him ya? Okay, story him osim. Rebecca hemi willing for go back with him wakaman blow Abraham for married him Isaac. Tamo get a course up Kasim Plesia, where Abraham hemi stop. Isaac hemi waka lo one fella dry area lo Canaan. Reading more hemosem. Genesis chapter 24, start lo verse 63, Kasim verse 67. Now one fella day, Isaac hemi go head for walkabout go lo open place. And hemi look him some fella camel go head for come. And time Rebecca hemi look him, hemi jump down from camel blow him. And hemi ask him wakaman ya blow Abraham or sim. Huna name blow man ya, long way where hemi go head for walkabout come. Now wakaman ya hemi talk or sim. Him now son blow master blow me. Now Rebecca hemi take him calico, and hemi cover him up face blow him, long him. Now time Olketa go kasim Isaac, wakaman ya hemi story lo him, and hemi tell him out every something ya lo him, where he come up lo way. Now Isaac hemi take him geli ya for go stop lo house tent ya, where mommy blow him Sarah hemi been stop lo him before. And hemi married him now. Isaac hemi love him geli ya too much. So sorry blow him, lo die blow mommy blow him, hemi finish. Question 5. Abraham now, hemi straight him married blow Isaac and Rebecca. One him now this fella ves hemi tell him about him way two fella, he feel for two fella selva, long fast time. Genesis chapter 26, Start lo verse 1, kasim verse 6. Isaac, hemi go stop long Gerara. Now long country ya, one fella hard time lo big fella hungry hemi kasim. And hemi osem not a fella hard time where hemi kasim oketa before long time lo Abraham. So Isaac hemi go long Gerara, where one fella place blo oketa people blo Philistia. Hemi go and stop with him King Abimelech, where hemi king blo oketa. God, hemi bin come lo Isaac, and hemi tok osem lo him. You no go down for stop lo Egypt. By you go stop no more lo place where by me tell him you. And by me stop with him you, and me bless him you. By me go ahead for keep him promise where me bin make him with him daddy blo you, Abraham. O get the pickaninny ya, whereby I born come lo line blo you, by o get I planned it to mas. O same o get the star lo sky, and by me give him ground ya for o get. By me bless him you fella, because long before, daddy blo you hemi go ahead for obeying me, and hemi go ahead for follow him o get the law blo me, and o get the tok blo me. So Isaac hemi go now, and hemi stop long Gerara. Question 6. One him now God hemi promise for do him for Isaac. Reading Genesis chapter 26. Start lo verse 7. Now time o get a man long place here, o get a look him Rebecca, o get a ask him Isaac o same. Was way, woman ya, hemi wife blo you? Now hemi talk o same long o get a. No more, hemi sister blo me ya. Hemi hide him o same, because woman ya hemi barava nice bolle to mas. Now hemi fried no good o get a man lo place ya, o get a kill him die, and take him wife blo him ya. Question 7. Why now Isaac hemi liar, and hemi tell him that Rebecca hemi sister blo him? Reading more, Genesis chapter 26, start lo verse 8, kasim verse 11. Him talk about him, Isaac and Rebecca. Two fella, he stop long time little bit lo place ya. Now one fella day, time king hemi stop lo house blo him, hemi look through go lo window. And hemi look him that Isaac, hemi go ahead for hol him come wife blo him, goes up lo him. So hemi call him Isaac for come lo him. And hemi talk osem lo him. Hey, was way now you go ahead for tell him that woman ya hemi one fella sister blo you. Him now wife blo you no more ya. Now Isaac hemi talk osem. Me fright to mas ya. No good me tell him that hemi wife blo me. Might o get a man blo place ya. By o get a kill him me die. But king hemi talk osem. Was way now you do him this kind something lo me fella. You look him, hemi easy no more for one fella long o get a man blo me, for hemi go sleep with him wife blo you. And suppose hemi osem, by hemi barava no good for me fella. But hemi wrong blo you now ya. So hemi talk strong lo o get a man blo him osem. Suppose any man hemi do him any something no good lo man ya, all a wife blo him, by hemi must die. Question 8 got him two fella part lo him. First part, what now ting blo you? How now Rebecca hemi feel lo one name Isaac hemi do him? And second part lo question 8, how now this one might sense him way where Rebecca hemi feel for Isaac, long time by he come. Reading Genesis chapter 25, start lo verse 20, kasim verse 26. Time Isaac, hemi married him Rebecca, hemi kasim 40 year blohem. Tu fella go ahead for sleep together, but woman ya hemi nor savi garim pikinini. Now Isaac hemi prayer lo God for this fella something ya, and God hemi hear him prayer blohem. Now woman ya hemi babula, whereby hemi born him two fella twin. And long time ya, Isaac hemi kasim 60 year blohem. Question 9a. How long now Isaac and Rebecca wait before two fella igarim pikinini? Reading more, Genesis chapter 25, start lo verse 22, kasim 23. But time two fella no born yet. All time hemi olsem where two fella go ahead for fight inside lo belly blo mami blo two fella. Now Rebecca talk olsem. One him now hemi making me olsem ya. Now hemi go for ask him God about him something ya. Now God hemi talk olsem lo Rebecca. Two fella pikinini now he stop lo belly blo you. And two fella everyone by e granddaddy blo two fella line. Question 9b. One him now you me ben lanim about him Isaac and Rebecca. One fella reading now from New Testament. 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 6 and 7. Now you fella must make him you fella seleva humble and stop lo hand lo God who hemi got him big fella power. And by hemi high him up you fella long time where hemi like him. Him now hemi savvy look after him you fella good fella. So you fella must put him every trouble blow you fella lo hand blow him. Question 10. One him now God hemi tell him you me for do him long Olketa hard time. Reading Genesis chapter 25 verse 23 and verse 24. Now Yahweh hemi tok olsem lo Rebecca. Tu fella pikinini now is stop lo belly blo you. And tu fella everyone by e granddaddy blo tu fella line. Tu fella line ya by hemi born come lo line blo you. By one fella hemi try hard all the way for come up high more long nada one. But one fella long two fella by hemi strong more win him nada one. Fast born by hemi waka for make two pikinini ya. Now hemi kasim mans blow woman ya for hemi born him pikinini. And hemi born him two fella pikinini boy blow him, where two fella twin. And time two fella born, make two, hemi go head for whole tight come, lo lek blow firstborn ya. Firstborn, hemi Esau, and make two, hemi Jacob. Question 11. One him now God hemi tell him, lo Rebecca, about him two fella pikinini boy blow him. Reading Genesis chapter 25, verse 27 and verse 28. Now time two fella boy ya he grow up, Esau hemi savi to mas lo way for hunting, and hemi no like for stop no more lo place. Hemi like for go stop all the way no more lo bus. But Jacob hemi come up one fella quiet man no more, where all time hemi like for stop no more long place. And all time Isaac hemi love him Esau, because hemi like him too much for kakaim or get a meat blow wild animal. But Rebecca hemi love him Jacob. Question 12a. One him now or get a vesia, he tell him about him way where Isaac and Rebecca, he love him two fella pikinini boy blow two fella. Question 12b. Why now hemi no wise for God him kind love also? By reading this time, hemi long one little bit. But you fella must listen good lo story and think good round him. Ook het accent blo Rebecca no more. Reading come from Genesis chapter 27. Now long time Isaac hemi come up all o man for good. And I blow him, hemi come up for no good now. And hemi no sabi look more. One fella day, hemi call him fastborn blow him, Esau. For hemi come blow him. And hemi talk also blow him. Pickaninny blow me, you look him now that me all o man finish. And me feel him also by no long time no more, me die now. Hemi for you go and shoot him one fella animal. Make him you cook him meat blow him, for me kaka him. And behind, time me kaka finish, by me bless him you before me die. Now time Isaac, hemi go ahead for tell him talk ya. Rebecca, hemi go ahead for listen no more lo him. And time fastborn hemi go out for handing. Rebecca hemi talk osem lo Jacob. This time no more. Me hear him daddy blow you. Hemi tell him lo brother blow you. Where hemi talk osem. You go shoot him one fella animal. And you cook him come for me. And behind time me kaka him finish. By me bless him you lo I blow God. Before me die. So Rebecca, hemi talk osem long Jacob. You go lo place where Olketa nanny goat blow you me, he stop blow him. And you choose him two fella, small fella nanny goat. Now you take him come, make him me cook him meat or same way where daddy blow you, hemi like him, too much. Now by you go give him meat lo him. Make him hemi bless him you before hemi die. But Jacob, hemi talk same. Mommy, you sabi that Esau hemi got him stuck a hair. But me no got him. Suppose daddy, hemi hold him hand blow me, by hemi sabi lo me no moya, where me go head for liar lo him. Now by hemi no sabi blessing me. But by me make him trouble for cussing me. Now mommy blow him, hemi tokos him. Pickaninny blow me, suppose hemi make him trouble for cussing you. Let him trouble by hemi come cussing me selva no more. You do him no more, one him me tell him. So Jacob, hemi go. Now mommy blow him cook him meat no way where daddy blow him, hemi he like him. And hemi go take him Olketa number 1 calico blow Esau. And him come give him lo Jacob, for hemi wear him. Now hemi take him skin blow 2 fella nanny goat and hemi put him lo hand blow him, and lo neck blow him too, where he no got him hair lo him. Now Jacob, hemi carry him kakai go lo daddy blow him. And hemi talk him, Daddy. Now daddy blow him, hemi answer, Yeah, you who ya? Me Esau me fastborn blow you. Me do him finish what him you been tell him. Please, you sit down and kai. Make him you blessing me. Now daddy blow him, hemi tell him all same. Pickaninny blow me, you quick time too much. How now you find him animal or him? And Jacob talk all same. Yahweh who hemi God blow you, hemi go ahead helping me for find him. Now daddy blow him, hemi talk all same. Pickaninny blow me. You is so true now. You come close up, Making me sabi hold him you. Now Jacob, hemi go close up lo daddy blow him. And hemi hold him. And Isaac hemi talk all same. Me hear him voice blow you, hemi also him voice blow Jacob. But hand blow you now, hemi hand blow Esau. Time hemi ready for bless him. Isaac ask him more 1 fella time also him. You Esau true now, yeah? And Jacob answer also him, yeah, daddy, me now, yeah. So daddy blow him, he talk also him. Pickaninny blow me, you come close up and kiss him me. And time he come for kiss him, daddy blow him, he smell savvy now, lo calico blow Esau, yeah. And he bless him now. Question 13. Talk round him Olketa accent blow Rebecca. Question 14, part A. Why now, Rebecca, hemi trick him Isaac? Question 14b. Was way, Rebecca hemi got him good reason for one hemi do him? Why? Okay, story him go ahead more now. No long time behind, Esau him come back lo house now, and him cook him meat ya, and him go look him daddy blow him. You fella listen good. Think about Axin blow Esau, and Jacob, and Isaac, and Rebecca. Genesis chapter 27 more. Esau come back now, and hemi talk also him. Daddy, him now meet ya when me carry him come. Please, you sit down, and you kakai, make him you bless him me. But daddy blow him, hemi ask him also him. Hey, you who ya? Now hemi talk also him. Me Esau ya, me firstborn pickaninny blow you. Daddy blow him, hemi barava sek for good now. And hemi talk also him. But who now hemi kill him one fella animal? Hemi cook him finish. And hemi carry him come lo me ya. Me just kakai finish no more ya. Time you no come inside yet. And me give him finish. Last blessing blow me lo him. And hemi blow him all away now. Time Esau hemi hear him talk ya. Hemi sorry too much. And hemi cry big fella for good now. And hemi talk also him. Daddy, please you bless him me too. But daddy blow him. Hemi talk also him. Brother blow you ya. Hemi come. And hemi barava lie a good lo me. And hemi take him finish this fella blessing blow you ya. Behind Esau, hemi barava no like him Jacob now. Because daddy blow two fella hemi give him Olketa blessing finish for Jacob. Now hemi go ahead for think also him. By no long time, daddy blow me ya, hemi die. And by me fella go ahead for sorry and cry for him. But behind, by me kill him die brother blow me ya. Time mommy blow two fella, he hear him that Esau hemi been plan him for kill him die Jacob. Hemi call him for come lo him now. Now hemi talk all same lo him. Pickaninny blow me, you listen. Brother blow you, hemi plan him for kill him you die. You must do him one me tell him you. You must run away go lo Haran. And you must go stop with him brother blow me, Laban. Go cause him time where ting blow brother blow you, hemi come up quiet. And cross blow him, hemi go down. And so hemi forget him, or get us something ya, where you been doing lo him. Isaac hemi call him Jacob for come look him. And hemi talk strong o sem lo him. You must no marry him any geli lo here lo Canaan. You must go back lo country ya, where Olketa call him Mesopotamia. Lo place, lo granny blow you ya, Betuel. Laban, who hemi brother blow mommy blow you, hemi stop lo place ya. So Jacob hemi go lo Mesopotamia, make him hemi go for stop with him uncle blow him, Laban. Question 15. You fella think round him and discuss. One him now answer lo plan blow Rebecca for Esau, for Jacob, for Isaac, and for Rebecca Seleva. Reading Galatia chapter 6, verse 7 and 8. You fella must no think wrong long this one. Hemi hard to mas for any man hemi savi liar lo God. You mi savi harvest lo garden no more, wanem you mi plant him fast time ya. Man who hemi plant him any something follow him way blo man for sin, by way blo die now, hemi come out lo this one. But man who hemi plant him any something follow him way blo Holy Spirit, by true life where hemi no savi finish now, hemi come out lo wanem hemi plant him. Question 16. Wanem now this one hemi tell him you me about him Olketa decision where you me make him. Okay, Esau hemi married him two fella woman lo Olketa line long Canaan. But Rebecca hemi got him idea for Jacob stay lo one fella safe place. Genesis chapter 27, verse 46. Behind, Rebecca hemi tokos him lo Isaac. Mi barava lesna lo two fella woman ya lo line blo het, where Esau hemi married him ya. Suppose Jacob hemi married him more one fella gelly, lo line blo het, I think hemi more better for me die no more. So, Isaac hemi send him Jacob for go look him Laban. Question 17. Rebecca hemi tell him Isaac for send him Jacob go lo uncle Laban. How na hemi do him? Question 18a. Rebecca hemi kind and willing, but hemi come up one fella woman for liar and hemi trick him husband blo him. How now that one hemi happen? Question 18b. How now by you me savi go ahead for trust in God, time life hemi no come up osem you me expect him. Olketa something where you me learn him from this fella study about him Rebecca. Rebecca one fella good start, but Abraham, hemi been spending plenty year, listen long God, and learn for obey him. Abraham, hemi no want him Isaac for married him any woman lo Canaan. So hemi send him go, one fella wakaman blo him, where hemi trust him for look out him wife for Isaac. Might wakaman ya hemi Eliezer. Time this fella stranger hemi ask for drink, Rebecca hemi answer him with him open heart, where hemi willing for help. Hemi one fella young and strong and nice bola gelly, who hemi no sleep with him any man yet. Wakaman ya hemi believe him that God hemi lead him for meet him this fella woman. Olketa family blo Rebecca I bless him. Rebecca hemi lose him home blo him, and family blo him, and every something where hemi savi good lo him. And hemi go lo one fella far away place, lo south side, for married him one fella man, where hemi no meet him before. Bible hemi tell him sir, that time Isaac hemi meet him Rebecca, hemi love him too much. Behind, Isaac hemi tell him lo Olketa strong fella neighbor blo him, that Rebecca hemi sister blo him. Isaac hemi go ahead for liar osem for long time. Something where Isaac hemi do him ya, hemi might make him Rebecca for hemi cross and hemi no trust him. Isaac and Rebecca, he wait for 20 fella year before Rebecca hemi bubble. Why not two fella must wait osem? I think God hemi want him two fella for savi that Olketa pickaninny blo two fella, I come osem one fella special gift, lo kind fella love blo God. God hemi tell him lo Rebecca that by hemi got him two fella pickaninny boy, and firstborn ya by hemi waka for lastborn. Bible hemi tell him you me that Isaac, hemi love him Esau. And hemi like him too much o get a nice kai where Esau hemi savi cook him come for him. But Rebecca hemi love him Jacob. This fella no good love ya now. Hemi break him down family Blong Olketa. And hemi cause him big fella sorry lo life Blong Olketa. You me talk thank you lo God because hemi no give up lo you me. Because long Olketa sin and ravish way lo you me. Tam you me come up for savi more about him God and lane for obey him. Spirit blo God hemi waka inside lo you me. Hemi make him you me for come up os him Christ. And hemi help him you me for savi good fella and follow him will blo him every day. Rebecca hemi no look him more pickaninny boy blo him who hemi love him too much. O get a liar blo him, he spoil him life blo him with him Isaac and Esau. No matter os him, God hemi got him plan for Olketa, who is sorry for Olketa wrong something Olketa he been doing, and come back lo him. You me might no savi sense him, one him you me been doing. But God hemi give him come son blo him, for carry Olketa sin blo you me lo cross. And hemi offer him hope for you me, and all time him ready for forgive him you me, and take him out every sick blo you me. Story blo Rebecca, hemi teach him you me for go ahead believe time you me walk about with him Christ. Hemi teach him you me too, for go ahead for walk about close up lo Christ every day, and trust him lo every hard time lo life.